welcome to Davis Beauty. I hope you're having a wonderful week. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about subscription beauty boxes and do a review. So I've signed up for so many over the last few years: Ipsy Glam, Birchbox, Allure. And recently I was like, let me try out BoxyCharm. I did see the Kardashians plug it a few times, but I wasn't sure how legit it was. But I was doing some research for my job and I got BoxyCharm and I'm actually thoroughly impressed. It comes on time, other than like there was a few delays during like the second month of COVID. But other than that, it comes on time. All the products are full size. I really love a lot of the products it's introducing me to. So let's jump in. This is BoxyCharm. There's two different levels. You can do like the basic one or like the upgraded one, which is more. I'm just doing the basic one. I think it's like $25 a month. Ooh. So in the box, you get full-size products. So the first product that we got is the Fill Up Orange Shadow. So this is like a bronzer shadow. It's got a little fun, sparkly color right there. Ooh. Little fun sparkle. But this is a great little travel set as well. So that is actually by, who is it by? Touch and Soul. So I am not actually familiar with this brand, so I'm definitely gonna look it up. So that's the full-size product, the first one. The second full-size product is called Beauty Vault. It is a lip liner trio. So let's see what's in here, guys. This is fun. I haven't opened. Okay, so 3 lip liners. All right, so Cozy Kira. Let's see what this one is like. All right, it's like a little cocoa, chocolatey brown. I love that. It's got like a little bit of like plum undertones. This one is Beau Babe. Ooh, this is like, got like that red clay look. This is great for fall. They're very creamy, guys. Oops, just dropped one. And then the last one is Natty Nat. Kind of reminds me of, the name kind of reminds me of like Natural Ice if you went to college and had a few of those. But this is more of like a red color. Not sure that this would be my first choice, but this would be great for your kit if you are a freelance artist. All right, so that is the Lip Liner Trio by Beauty Vault, so check them out. And then the next one is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. All right, so let's see what this is all about. Side note, I've never done an unboxing filmed. I usually do it like on my IG stories, so this is fun. All right, oh, it's got a lot of twists. There we go. So it's got the twist, the little lock, so you can lock it so it doesn't spill everywhere. Here we go, guys, here goes nothing. So I'm just gonna try to get a little out. It does have a sticker on it. That's like the worst when it has a sticker. Yeah, it does. It has a sticker. As I'm banging here, I just realized it has a sticker. Ooh, let's get, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this. Okay, might not be able to get this one off, but it's like a glow powder. It'll be really pretty, probably. You can even mix this. It's called Illuminati, but you can even mix this with like your body lotion. Put it on your arms, give you a nice little shimmery glow after you go to the beach. Or you can put it on your cheeks for a nice highlight. So, okay, so that's another full size. I have, ooh, Touch and Soul. It is Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I'm all about this. Skin balms. Okay, ooh, so I like the way it's got. Take a cream. Oh, it's very light feeling. I thought it was going to be heavier than that, but it's like a real light feeling cream. And it does leave the, I mean, you can't really tell, but it does leave the skin a little bit more hydrated and dewy. So I'm definitely going to try that. It's called Pretty Filter. So I'm going to try that and let you guys know how that is. See, these are full-size products. Like, this is a lot. I still have one more. Ooh, by Pop Sugar. Beauty by Pop Sugar. It is a Sweet Sticks Glossy Lip Color. And the color is called Fling. All right, let's see what this is about. So, pull the top off. Ooh, let's try the color. I like the color. It's my kind of color. My kind. You guys know, like I said, if you watch my lip video, I always go for the same lip colors. Doesn't matter if they're gloss, lipsticks, whatever. I always go for the same. So this is nice. It's got a little twist. It's a crown. This is always easy to take with you. When you throw in the purse, put it on real quick and easy. So these are all full-size products. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then technically this was just 1, but it had 3 lip liners. So 7 full-size products for $25. Products, I suggest signing up. Even if you sign up for a few months, get a bunch of different products and then cancel or suspend it for a while. I hope this was helpful if you guys are looking for a subscription beauty box. And I will definitely do some reviews on the products and let you know how they work. But again, BoxyCharm, go to their website. I don't have a referral code because I'm not a Kardashian, but if I did have a referral code, I would send it your way. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you soon. And if you have any questions, please visit my Instagram page under Drew Davis Beauty. I have a Facebook, Drew Davis Beauty. You can find me on TikTok under Drew Davis Beauty, LinkedIn under Drew Davis. So if you want to reach me, those are the best ways. Follow me for sure. Like, comment, share with your friends. And if you have questions about This Is It TV, please visit thisisit.tv.com for more information. Have a wonderful day. Bye.